welcome to the English Hotel. This is a king suite on the 4th floor, room 401. As you enter the room, there's a nice comfortable living room with really soft rugs, comfy chairs, and a couch. Got a bar cart, free ice on every floor, already bagged up. Got a king bed. They can bring up a divider to protect against the view from the bathroom. Got kind of an external closet and luggage rack, which is super convenient. And a really nice bathroom. So we have embroidered English hotel towels, which they refresh every day. And a very modern toilet setup. A nice vanity. Pretty good shower. Got bath products included. Countries. Clear walls. Nice mirror. Really cool lighting. Got some sort of speaker. Phone. Really interesting nightstands with some sort of cable in there. I believe that was to hook up our phones. On this side of the bed, we have several different ports, USB outlets, anything you could possibly need. Standard Bible, another outlet that also includes USBs, so plenty of places to plug things in or charge your devices. And then the view from this room was really cool. So we had the Arts District, the cat. You can see all the art that's on the sidewalks from above. And great view of downtown. So half the hotel has a view of downtown, the other half has a view of the Strip. So really cool location, super close to the Arts District. 2 blocks away, basically. So you're kind of right in the middle of everything. Shout out to Michelle Monroe for the cat. It's our bar cart, up close. TV. I believe that was the hairdryer. And great thing about this room, you get a fridge too. And complimentary water at the front desk. Great room. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed our stay. Thank you to Coach